Hello everybody, welcome to another video, and today we are going to be talking about using your phone as a webcam. Now, this is not just going to be some app that I'm going to share to you guys. No, this is appless. You don't need any app. You don't need to even have on to get in the same Wi-Fi. Because some apps tend to do that. You need to be on the same Wi-Fi in order to work. You don't need that. You don't need to be the same Wi-Fi. So your computer can just run in Ethernet mode if you want to. And it'll be faster than running it on Wi-Fi. And lastly, no wires. You don't need any wires. You're just going to open up a website. The website is going to be called VDO.Ninja. If you open that, you're going to have 4 options. What's better is you just need to create a room. Create a room, then type in the room name. I'll name it like Sunray or something. Password is optional if you want to, and then you can tick this like guests can see the director but not other guest video director. It really depends. And you can also set the video code, so enter the control center in the director's role. So you can just click that. You can have multiple devices, whether it's an iPad, an iPhone, an Android, anything that can access a browser and has a camera on it. You can just open this link on your phones, and then you have maximum of 4 inputs here. So I'm just gonna copy linked. You're gonna send it to yourself. So once you send it to yourself, all you need to do is go to your phone and then just go to the browser. So I'm just gonna start recording my screen. So what you need to do is send that link to yourself, and then go to your browser, paste it, and there it is. So join room with camera. You can actually also send your you can also send your screen share, but it only works on Android at the moment. It does work on iOS, but you need to download the official app of VDO.Ninja, which I'm not gonna do. We don't need to do that. Allow. Make sure you allow it, and then now you notice you can see me. You're even allowed to use your microphone if you add an audio source. So you just press start, and then there you have it. And now you can notice on my screen, you can see me right here. Alright? So next thing you're gonna do is just copy this link. Go to OBS. So if we add a new scene, let's just add a new scene. You're gonna need to go to browser. Just name this camera, I guess. Camera. And now you just need to resize it to 1920 by 1080. And then control audio via OBS. And then you're just gonna paste this link over there. And it's gonna show up. My camera is gonna show up. There you go. As you can see, this is in real time, okay? This is literally in real time. There's a slight delay, but you can hardly notice it. If you're doing this for just doing YouTube videos, you can clearly use this and just delay the audio a little bit, delay everything, and just sync it as well. In streaming, you can also just delay your audio. There's no problem with that. And then the next best thing is if I just enable the portrait orientation, I can just do that. See? Now I'm in portrait mode, and now you can see me. Now you can see me right here. The only issue is that sometimes it doesn't work when you orientate it back, but it's okay. You just need to refresh the page. And again, look, audio is coming in. You just can't hear it because I didn't record it. But if you want to monitor it, I'll just clearly do this. And now you can hear my microphone from my phone. I know it's repeating itself, but yeah, you can hear it. So I'll just mute that. The reason why the director's room is great because, example, what if you want to set up like a podcast, and instead of using like Discord and stuff, you can use this, because the quality you can get from doing this is really high. I mean, look at the detail on my face. That's high quality. it's not like you're doing a call. You're clearly sending video over it, and it's super seamless. What's also great is that if you are streaming like this, you know those streamers, right? Those in real life streamers or other people that stream on their house where they do cooking and stuff. You can just use this as a second camera, and then, you know, if you go to the kitchen, just use this camera, and then on your phone just plug in an external microphone, like a wireless one or something like this. You can also use something like this, like a directional microphone. You can also use this, so you can just plug it into your phone. And now if you go to the kitchen, you don't need to bring your laptop or your computer, not even your main camera, so that you won't mess up your setup on your angles and stuff. So you just need to use the phone, and then plug in a microphone again. Then just set it up somewhere in the kitchen where you do your cooking stuff. And again, guys, this is a maximum of 4. Okay, that's what I heard, because it only shows up 4 here. I'm not really sure. I haven't tried it. I don't have lots of phones. What's great is that you can also use a laptop. So example, if we go to VDO.Ninja, we just paste that one here. Here, we can actually screen share it. See, look, and we can add a microphone source if you want to, but currently we just no need to do that. Select screen to share. See, look, you can share like control room. We can share a window. You can show the entire screen. I'll just use my second screen. Now you can clearly see it. And now on your OBS, it's turned into a split screen basically, because you have 2 sources. You can make this different. Instead of having the director's one, I just use this so that it can use as a multi-camera if you want to. If you want to individually separate this, you can just copy this one. So copy solo view link, for example. If we can copy that, and then we go to OBS again, then switch it to that new link we just copied. It will only show the computer. See, look, you can only show that. And look at the quality. It's really high quality, guys. It's really high quality. So what's great is that you can also use that to run, like, I don't know, you can run your stream PCs like this wirelessly. So again, guys, VDO.Ninja, it's really a great thing. You can also support the guy that made this, and yeah, so that it will improve better, and we can have this stuff for free, because this stuff is for free. You don't need to pay anything. And it's already good quality, and it's also very stable. It's fast. Hopefully this helped you so much. Thank you so much. Leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you're confused about some of this. I will gladly answer them. Comment down below what you want me to give a tutorial next time. Thank you so much, guys. Take it easy, fam. Peace.